Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I use a lot once a month in my car. They are Febreze vent clips. I'm sorry, I tried to rip the price tag off so you guys could see the brand label, but it kind of ended up actually ripping the carton that it's in. But I'm sure most of you guys, if you're watching, you probably heard of Febreze or used one of their products. They have all kinds of air fresheners, sprays that you could use on fabrics, on bed, on your couch. They get rid of pet odors. I think they have like Febreze carpet, you could spray on the carpet and vacuum it up, makes your carpet smell nice. I really love Febreze brands. I think it makes everything smell so fresh. I use it especially in my house because I do have a cat. So especially in her litter box area, I'll use their sprays and they're always really good. I really like that this car freshener lasts for 30 days. So it actually has a really nice scent. People come in my car and they're like, "Oh my God, it smells good." Not that I don't know, not that my car ever smells bad, but it's nice to keep it smelling fresh and eliminate odors and stuff like that. I don't know, sometimes I actually carry a lot of liquor around for work in my car, and I've definitely had some spills, and it's it kind of, I guess, here and there, and I have some odors of vodka and stuff, and I definitely don't want my car to smell like vodka, so this definitely helps keep it smelling fresh and clean. This is the new car scent. They're so easy. They just clip right into your vent in your car. I do have one in there currently, but it's empty. You guys can see there's no liquid left in it, so I just have to toss it, throw it out. But this is basically how this looks. I'm gonna open this one up and show you. It's so easy to just clip on once you got it. So anyway, so I don't remember what scent this is. It's some kind of Island Breeze scent, but this one that I got is new car scent. You could get it online in stores. Lasts for 30 days, eliminates odors. 0.06 ounces, 2 milliliters air freshener. So it has OdorClear to activate scent. Firmly push clip up until you hear it click in place. Then clip the product to the car vents. Adjust to control freshness. So I guess that can adjust if you want it to come out a lot or just a little bit, kind of adjust the scent a little bit. Product is made in Mexico. It is distributed by Procter & Gamble in Cincinnati, Ohio. And I don't know what that is. Toronto. I don't know. Maybe they have a distributor in Canada. The Procter & Gamble label. Well established. And then, of course, keep out of reach of children and pets. Store product at room temperature. Once activated, do not store in glove compartment or other closed container. Avoid direct contact with plastics. Dashboard damage may occur. So I'm just going to open this up really quickly so you guys could see. Okay, so when you guys take it out of the package, it's going to be like this, kind of folded up. I think it's basically an all plastic material, and this fits any car. I have a Toyota RAV4 sport car, average, so it'll fit in any vent, no matter what kind of car you have. And then you could adjust it this way, so you could see the liquid in it. The other one was empty that I showed you, the one that I had before. So this one has no liquid in it. This one is full. You could tell every 30 days probably. That's basically when it gets absorbed. I don't know why, but I feel in the summer it gets absorbed quicker, and then you have to change it more. But I feel I could get even maybe a little bit more than 30 days out of it. But yeah, this is, I guess, yeah, this is how you adjust it to, and then it shows you less, medium, and then most. So it'll be this, having it on here is the least amount of scent. I'm going to put it on medium. So super easy. Already it smells really good. I think I like the Island Breeze scent more, but new car scent will have to do this. And I mean, I think it's just because I'm a girly girl. I like the girly scents. Not that Island Breeze is super girly, but I think it's a little bit more feminine than the new car scent. New car scent is I don't know. My husband would probably like this better for his manly pickup truck. So there you go. I'm trying to find a spot where I really want to have this placed, where it's not where did I have it before? It's not going to be in the way. Okay. There we go. That's good. So my car smells like a new car scent already. It smells delicious. I just got back from the car wash. I love that smell. So you guys are looking for something to just an inexpensive way to keep your car smelling really fresh, try Febreze CAR vent clips. It'll keep your car smelling nice for you and your guests. So, thanks for watching, guys.